What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the MMS messages not sending issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all check your network connection. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network connection is poor. So move to an area where you can get good signals, and after that you will be able to send MMS messages. But if your network connection is good and you still can't send the MMS messages, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here check if you have enabled mobile data or not. So without turning on mobile data you will not be able to send the messages. So turn on mobile data, and after that the MMS messages issue will be fixed. But somehow if you're still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the MMS messages will start sending. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings. Now scroll down to the end, and here tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings, and then again tap on this reset network settings option on the bottom of your screen to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after resetting the network settings, the MMS messages issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix MMS messages not sending issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.